Welcome everybody to your channel Competitivepedia. Today we are going to discuss current affairs regarding 6th January 2022. So let's begin with the session. First question, for which of the following water metro project the first battery operated electric boat has been built? So your answer is option A, Kochi Water Metro Project. Now, recently the first battery operated electric boat manufactured for the Kochi Water Metro project has been given to Kochi Metro Rail Limited. This fully air conditioned boat is one of the 23 boats being built by Cochin Shipyard for the rupees 747 crore Kochi Water Metro project. Now next question, which of the following senior diplomat has been appointed as the next new ambassador of India to the United Nations Conference on Disarmament? So your answer for this question is option C, Anupam Ray. Now, senior diplomat Anupam Ray has recently been appointed as the next new ambassador of India to the United Nations Conference on Disarmament in Geneva. He is a 1994 batch Indian Foreign Service officer and is currently working as a joint secretary in the headquarters of the Ministry of External Affairs in Delhi. He will soon replace Pankaj Sharma. Which country has recently launched a 5-year plan to become the center of world robotics innovation? So your answer for this question is option D, China. Clear? Now, China has recently launched a 5-year plan to become the center of world robotics innovation. Now, China has announced it a 5-year roadmap. Operating income from China's robotics industry is expected to grow by about 20% per year between 2021 and 2025. Now, who has assumed charge as the 24th Director General of the Indian Coast Guard? So, our answer is option B, V.S. Pathania. Clear? Now, V.S. Pathania took over as the 24th Director General of the Indian Coast Guard from Krishnaswamy Natarajan, who will retire from his service. He is an alumnus of Defence Services Staff College, which is in Wellington, and National Defence College, New Delhi. He was promoted to the rank of Additional Director General in November 2019 and took over as the Coast Guard Commander of East Coast at Visakhapatnam. Name the country which has recently procured 25 Chinese JTC fighter jets. So, our answer is option D, Pakistan. Now, Pakistan has recently bought 25 J-10C fighters from China. Pakistan's Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid told in Rawalpindi that 25 Chinese fighter jets will participate in the flypast. The J-10C is considered a capable fighter aircraft of the Chinese Air Force, but it lags far behind the state-of-the-art capabilities of the Rafale. However, the Chinese media describes it as a fighter aircraft which is equal to the capability of Rafale. However, Rafale's state-of-the-art capability, better sensors, and its combat capability make it absolutely different from the J-10C. Clear? Which state has become the first state in the country to have 100% LPG gas coverage? So, the answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Clear? Now, Himachal Pradesh has become the first state in the country to have 100% LPG gas coverage. After the launch of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, which provide clean fuel to women below the poverty line, a similar scheme on the line has been launched by the state government, and the name of the scheme was Himachal Grahini Suvidha Yojana, and it was launched in 2018, and it helped in covering the remaining households of PM Ujjwala Yojana. And the PM Ujjwala Yojana was launched on 1st of May 2016. Padma Shri awardee Sindhu Tai Sapkal passed away. She was popularly known as, so our answer is option A, orphan children's mother. Clear? Renowned social worker Sindhu Tai Sapkal, known as orphan children's mother, has died. She adopted and took care of more than 1000 orphan kids in 40 years. She has received the Padma Shri last year. Mr. PM, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji said, Dr. Sindhu Tai Sapkal will be remembered for her noble service to society. Which district of Odisha has declared itself a child marriage free district? Answer is option A, Ganjam district. So, Odisha's Ganjam district has declared itself a child marriage free district. The district has 3,309 number of child marriage free villages and 503 child marriage free gram panchayats. New coronavirus variant IHU was identified in, so our answer is option D, France. Clear? Now, scientists have identified a new strain of the COVID-19 in France. It has been termed as IHU or B.1.640.2 variant. Ujala scheme completes dash years since its launch on 5 January 2015. So, the answer is option A, 7 years. This scheme has completed 7 years. Now, the Ministry of Power has completed 7 years of distributing and selling LED lights under its flagship program Ujala on 5th of January 2022. Ujala, which stands for Unnat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all. Okay, it is its full form. And it was launched by PM Narendra Modi on 5th January 2015. As of today, more than 36.78 crore LEDs have been distributed, and the scheme has saved 47,778 million kilowatt hour energy per annum. Clear? So guys, this was for the day. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you do like our channel and our videos, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Happy learning from Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. Thank you.